What's up, everyone? This is Blockchain News Korea here to give you your daily crypto brief update again. We got two bits of news here again for you, and we're going to start off with Bithumb, and they're talking about Popchain, which you guys may have heard online. Is it a Ponzi scheme by Bithumb and the ENM? So if you guys have heard or may not have heard, Bithumb announced this past Tuesday that it will be listing Popchain, PCH, on Bithumb Pro on the 17th of this month. PCH is an ERC20 token created on May 1st. The controversy is because it turned out that only 18 wallets contained 100% of the tokens, and with 2 wallets holding over 90% of them. So at the time of this article, 222 wallets contained the tokens, with the top 10 holding over 92% of the total supply. So it sounds very fishy, guys. So that's what the local media is saying as well. They've been complaining about this. So the second controversy was due to their GitHub page. There actually has been no real commits for changing code, and most of them have simply been deletions that were quickly replaced by code copied and pasted from Bitcoin, Monero, and Dash. So a lot of people are saying this is also very, very suspicious. Lastly, the third controversy is due to the poor token economy of PCH, as they're headed by directors and managers of a company called the ENM. And this is a company that is a Chinese company, or it's owned by a Chinese company and operates Korean broadcasting sites. And they have been operating with a fiscal deficit. So people are saying that it looks like they're just trying to raise very, very easy and quick cash. A lot of their developers were actually developers and engineers on Bitcoin, Bithumb's coin. So that's also very, very suspicious. So in reaction, Bithumb has said that they are going to delay the listing of Popchain. The Korean Blockchain Association has also come out in opposition against the listing of Popchain, saying that this is not adding legitimacy to the space, and we shouldn't be too surprised if the local investigators here launch a formal investigation into Bithumb. So people are a little bit wary of that as of now. So Crypto of Korea is a kind of a new website that's covering news, and they did a really good job about discovering the facts behind this. So please check out their website as well. And moving on along, Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey reaffirms bullish future on Bitcoin crypto as global payment. So he expressed optimism about cryptocurrency's role in the future of payments, saying that the internet deserves a native currency, and it will have a native currency, which he believes will be Bitcoin, because this technology is a fundamental shift to our world and can have so many positive outcomes. We have to do the work to educate the regulators and educate the SEC on why this technology is important. He did say that some of the people at Square, which is also another company affiliated with Jack Dorsey, he's saying that this was some people were against that, especially people on the company's board of directors. They were also resistant to the idea of cryptocurrency. Probably they're a bit more traditional, but he did say, that he personally believes that it will be Bitcoin, which will be the currency of the internet. And he said these comments before, and the comments he just released at Consensus sort of reaffirmed that vision. Now, on the flip side, we have PayPal's CFO, and PayPal, they've been in the news over and over about being sort of against Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The CFO said that because merchants aren't interested in crypto because it's just too volatile. The prices are too volatile. If you're a merchant and you have, let's say, a 10% margin on a product that you sell and you accept Bitcoin, for example, the very next day it can move 15%, and then now you're underwater on that transaction. So the volatility is a big turnoff still for a lot of merchants to accept cryptocurrencies. So not too surprising, because PayPal, they're more of a traditional fintech player, and any sort of rise in Bitcoin and rise in mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies would pose a challenge to their bottom line. So not too surprising that they're coming out against Bitcoin. So you guys, please do your own research on this sort of stuff. We're not here to give you guys any sort of financial advice. We'd like to hear your opinions on this issue. Do you think that, do you agree more with Jack Dorsey and Twitter CEO about the future of having a native single currency to the internet, which might be Bitcoin, or do you think it will be some other coin? Or do you agree more with PayPal's CFO and that crypto is just too volatile? Do you think that it will change in the future? Do you think PayPal will come on board with cryptocurrencies? So, any sort of opinion that you may have, please leave it below in the comments section. And also, please comment on what you guys think about Popchain, and do you think this is a Ponzi scheme? What do you guys think about the listing of coins? And do you think there are any shady things that are going on behind the scenes? We'd like to hear what you guys think about this as well. And yeah, please subscribe to our channel, which is Blockchain News Korea on YouTube. And please follow our Twitter handle, which is twitter.com/BlockNewsKorea. Block News Korea. All right, guys, so please have a good day, and we will speak to you tomorrow. Goodbye.